it is a matrix machine which is a part of one hub. It is a compromised machine. It helps to practice a penetration testing and web security testing. So it is a normal machine. I think most of the person aware about Metasploit table too. So it is same as it, but it is easier than Metasploit table. Matrix, it has most of the series like matrix 1, matrix 2, matrix 3 and matrix 4. So it is the first part of matrix. So in this we will get the password of it. We will getting the password of it. So I am going to my Kali machine. So firstly, in scanning, we firstly part in ethical hacking, we have information gathering like footprinting about a victim and about a machine. So firstly, I will get the information about victim and its machine. So firstly, we get a victim IP, like it is a artscan/n. Artscan/n, it scans the IP which is connected to within our network. So this IP is connected within my network. So I get the IP of my victim. So so we will write our victim IP. So in Notepad, so it will be beneficial for us for go forward. So I'll paste a victim IP in my Notepad. Then after getting a IP, we will do nmap. To open a Notepad. I think, who is this? Akhilesh Rao Rajan. What should we keep in mind before we start in pen testing? So I think when you open a Notepad, it is beneficial for us for noted every single information about victim, because when we go forward, so we forget our previous information. So it is beneficial when you wrote any information about victim in Notepad so it help in to go forward. So we will do nmap. So firstly we will do man command nmap. So what is the work of nmap? So firstly we know about it. What is the work of nmap? So nmap is a network exploitation tool and security port scanner. So nmap is a port scanner. It simply scans a port of a IP or of a victim. So we will do nmap /help. It will send ping scan, disable port scan. Ping scan is simply same as a ping. We will do ping www.com, google.com ping. So it is a similar as a ping, but it have a additional feature, disable port. So is that, and connect a window and a mnemon scan. So we have lots of scan. We will do. So now we will scan a port scan of a victim account or victim host. So nmap /t4. T4, it's mean that time 4 second. It will take 4 second to scan scan a port, and slash hyphen p and hyphen it's mean it will scan first 1,000 ports of a victim. Like 1,000 port we have a lots of vulnerable ports like SSH and TCP and like moreover. So it will scan more vulnerable ports of victim account and slash a. Now we will give a IP of our victim. Here we will copy it and paste it here. It will takes time to scan all the ports, 1,000 ports of a victim in 4 seconds. Now it's scan all the ports, like how many ports are open in our victim. So there are 22 TCP open SSH. Like we will note it, copy it and paste here. And TCP, HTTP, it's open there. And this port is also open. And it will give that MAC address of our victim. So we will take this also. And like it is OS is Linux and kernel details. It gives all the details of this. Yes, -t, it's all ports. Thank you to correct me. Now we will do a web scanning. Scan the web. Like there is information that it's 80 port number HTTP is open. So it means that their HTTP server is open. So we will check that is there. Its vulnerability is there in victim server. So we will do Nicto. Nicto is a web scanning scan the web server for a non-vulnerabilities. So it will have a vulnerabilities register vulnerability. So it will check the one, is there any vulnerability here. So it will check it. So Nicto hyphen h means that host. We know that it's open HTTP. So hyphen, and we will copy this IP here. So it will check that is there any vulnerabilities there. So it gives us the vulnerability like that anti-click jacking X-frame or header is not present. X-frame option is not present there in the victim server, and X content type X content type option header is not set. So this could allow the you. So these are the vulnerabilities in the victim, and we have uh, another tool for a web scanner. It is a DR. Will do man. So it is a web content scanner. So it will scan the uh, is a web scanner. It's look for extending an or hidden web object. Basically works by launching a dictionary based attack against a web server and analyzing the response. So DRB, it will test the web content in the victim server. So it gives a two link of a victim content. So we could see it here. So basically we will open the link, copy the section and open it here. So we directly come over the my voice is not coming clear, sir. Hello, hello.
I think it's okay.
Now it's perfect, sir. Shall I continue, sir? True. Here is not any information is there. Like we will open it. So it is a give a main JS JavaScript content. So we will check here is any other information is there or not. There is a camera. Polygon. I think there is not any information of here. So we will check. There is not any information. Let's check on different link. So now we coming to the welcoming matrix. Follow the white rabbit. Welcome in the real world. And we directly come over the website which is running on the victim PC and victim account. So we will check here. Is there any information? So in source code of a victim, there is no information in source code. So we have a 22 ports is open, 22 TCP SSH service are open here. 80 and 33.7 is open. 80 is a HTTP. We used HTTP, and now we will check 31337. Is any information is there? So now it gives cipher. I know this string does not exist. I know when I put in my mouth, the matrix is telling my brain that is juicy and delicious. After 9 years, you know that what relies and ignores is delicious. So as we go on the previous source code, cipher. Here is a hashes are there. So let's check it. What is there in this hashes? Echo. Now we will decode it. By the base 64. Base 64 is a simply tool which will decrypt the hashes and -d. So it gives me it decrypt this hashes that echo. Then you will see that that is not the. Hello. Also we can use also, but we can use this also. So like cybersecurity we can use, but you see that this is not a spoon that bends. So it give me the cipher dot matrix. It's give me the file. So let's copy it and paste here. Let's see, is there any information is there. So it gives me the code. It is a, so let's check it. What is the name of this? What is the code is there? So let's check it. What is hash? Hash. It is not a hash. Type of code is there. Is there and execute. It is a brain code inside the website. So we will execute it here. So we get the password, like you can enter into matrix as a guest with the password kill the 0R access. Actually I forgot the last two characters, so I have replaced with the access. Try your luck and find the correct strings of password. So we have a lots of brute forcing tool which will guess the password and which will guess the password and give the correct password. So it is a brain for compiler encrypt the code. So we have lots of tool to brute force the password. So I will use a crunch. So firstly we will see that what is the use of crunch. Slash help. So uh, D is a number of symbol, E strings, F file path. We will give a file path. I invest the output. So instead of A B A C A D. Yes, Akram Khan, you are raising a hand. Yes, yes, Akram Khan, you are raising a hand. What happened?
Sir, I just want to ask one thing. That
Yes.
you find one hash in the code. Uh, if we find the hash code, I think there is a one type of hash code 512 code, which is I think possible to decrypt decode that hash. Sir, can you tell me about that? How can we decode 512 hash?
I did not understand. May you repeat again, please? May you repeat your answer
Sir,
again?
you find
Yes, sir.
sir, before 2 seconds, you find one hash in code, and you
Yes.
have the code with base 64.
Yes.
Sir, one thing is that I want to know about the type of that hash code.
Hmm.
And one more thing, sir, there is one hash somewhere I read that
Yes, I give
512 is a hash, type of hash,
Yes.
which is
Yes.
impossible to decode.
Yes.
Is it right or wrong? 512 is impossible to decode. If there is any tool which decrypt 512 hash, kindly sir, tell us.
You are talking about this code. Like,
No, 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 sir. Hash
like
code.
I think you are talking about.
The hash you found in the cyber page.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, Harsh. Hello.
Yes.
That mail is asking like you cracked for hash MD5 file, na?
Code.
MD5 value, correct?
From a source code, I get a hash file. You are talking about this hash file, hash code. Sorry.
Yeah, he was asking ki, is it possible to crack MD7 or MD12, correct?
Yes. Yes, I got the answer.
So
I am not sorry for that. I am not familiar about this. Sorry, I am not familiar about this MD5 and MG12. I think you are talking about. Yes. Yes. Sorry, I am not aware about it. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. here is a hyphen t flag is there. If you have to uh, search a search a character and a special character of the file of a password, so we can do simply hyphen t, and where we have to know the password, so we can do at the rate and percentage symbol, like insert there. So we will do crunch. We will do crunch. 8 is a minimum character and a maximum character. Like we have gone the password here. Like 8 is a minimum character and a maximum character. So we will copy this and paste here our password. Like we have 8 character minimum and maximum. So we will do 8 and hyphen t and kill. We will do paste here, and here I show that at the rate and percentile. So it will percentile is for a numeric values, and at the rate is for a character value. And we will do output file is password.txt. It will take some time. So it generate the password. So let's see, like password.txt, we will do cat password. So we will get a lots of password. We can do wc password. So we get 260 passwords. So now we will do brute forcing. We have lots of tool of brute forcing. So I will choose a Hydra for a brute forcing. Hyphen L is for a user. We know the username, and hyphen P is for password. Password file. Password.txt, and we will give a IP of our victim. We will paste it, copy it, and paste here. And we know that we are going through a victim by the SSH. So we will do the SSH services here. So it will take time to cracking the password, know the password of victim. So it takes few times for cracking a password. You are want to see crunch command again. I will give you again. I will type it again. So it gives the password of our guest user, and its password is this. Now we get the password of it. So we will write it password. Now we have to find a flag in our victim. So how can we password here? So we will go as a through a SSH. Here we have a password. We will do password, and now we enter the victim PC. So let guest and its username is. So we will do ls. It is not working ls because it is not bash. We in generally Linux we use bash, so it is a r bash. So we have to convert r bash into the bash uh, in our victim account. So simply we will firstly check which path we will use. Like it is a home dot slash home guest dot proc. Now we will convert this bash. We will copy, paste here, copy it and paste here. Star is used for echo. It means that it will be show the all of the files is present in a victim account. Is a in the victim account. So here is a vi. Vi is a tool of to like we have window notepad. So we will do vi and v bin and bash. Enter. Now we will export our shell to this shell. So export, basically we are changing the environment variable in Linux, like we will do in change our environment variable in Windows. So when we using programming, so we will change the environment variable. Same here, we are changing the environment variable. Export shell slash bin and bash and export to this shell. Now we convert the shell, export the shell. Here we will convert a path. So like we are giving an environment variable path. Same here, we are giving user bin and path. Now we export both of the things. Let's check it is working or not. Sudo ls. Now we will do sudo su and password here. Sudo -i, it's also is another replace of sudo. Now we gonna root of the victim account. Let's check is there where we have like dollar path. So now we are in bash, so we'll do /ls, and here we have a flag flag.txt. Now we got the flag of this machine. Now its machine is over. It's complete now. Sir, it's complete now. I think lots of the person have a question. Now you can ask a question from.